Would you like to make an app for cleaning services? If yes, then this video is for yours. In this video, we will try to cover up following points. Features list, technologies to build this platform, timeline and cost. Which features should we need to include? Generally, this app needs the following features. User. Sign up. Sign in. Forgot password. Change password. Create profile. Manage profile. Search for the cleaners. Filters the search results by location, price, ratings and reviews and others. They can able to check the various listing of the cleaning services. Select the services. Check the detailed services packages details. Check the detailed profile of the cleaners. Check the availability. Make the payment or a part payment. Deposit money or getting cashback in their e-wallet. Payment history. Booking history. Chat with the cleaners. Users can able to give the rating and review. Users can able to rehire the cleaners. Users can able to hire the cleaners on a weekly, monthly, quarterly basis. Users can able to access the content pages, FAQ, about us, contact us, terms and conditions. Cleaners app. Sign up. Sign in with OTP. Social login, Google, Facebook, Apple. Forgot password. Change password. Create profile. Manage profile. Schedule management. Booking management. Manage the chat requests from the users. Payment management, admin will set the commission part so that amount has been deducted and the rest of the payment they will get automatically. We need to show the amount in the e-wallet. Payment history. Reports management. Admin can do the following things. Sign in. Change password. Category management. Subcategory management. Users management. Cleaners management. Booking management. Ratings and reviews management. Payment management. Reports management. Content management. Commission management. Which technology should we need to use? We recommend using native technologies for app and open source technology for the backend and APIs. For designing, you can use Adobe XD. For iPhone app development you can use Swift 5. For Android app development you can use Java or Kotlin. For backend and APIs development you can use Laravel or Node.js. Or we can also use Flutter or React Native for app development. How much time does it require? Generally, to design and develop the above listed features require this much time. App designing, 60 to 80 hours. Android app development, 160 to 200 hours. iOS app development, 160 to 200 hours. Backend design and development, 160 to 200 hours. API creation and integration, 160 to 200 hours. Testing, bug fixing, project management and deployment, 40 to 50 hours. Total hours, 740 to 930 hours. How much does it cost? Generally, this kind of app costs is around 7,000 to 10,000 USD. We will offer the best price for this app. Kindly contact us for the app and website development. Would you like to make an on-demand cleaners app or any other kind of business app? If yes, then what are you waiting for? Feel free to reach us. Contact us. Thank you.